Solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. So welcome sa Sir Yabz TV. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano ba mag-solve ng ganitong topic. Before we start this video, make sure na click mo na yung like, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong upload. Hi guys! Ako po si Sir Yabz TV. Gumagawa po ako ng mga mathematics tips, mathematics Tagalog tutorials. So kung gusto nyo ng ganitong content, feel ko rin na bumisita ka sa aking YouTube channel para ma-check mo yung mga videos na ginagawa ko. Start na po tayo. Solving quadratic equations using extracting square roots. Quadratic equations that can be transformed into x squared equals k can be solved by applying these properties. Three properties. Okay? Yung unang property, x raised to 2 or squared equals k, kung saan si k constant then greater than to 0. Pag nagiging ganyan yung result, yung k sa right hand side, makaproduce siya ng 2 roots, or meaning dalawa yung result niya. Yung isang result, yung value ng x doon, yung roots is x sub 1 and x sub 2, 2 roots. X sub 1 possible positive root, yung x sub 2 is negative root. Okay? Pangalawang property, x raised to 2 equals the k constant, where k is equal to 0, or yung result ng right hand side is 0. Then makaproduce po siya ng isang root na always equal to 0 sa property number 2. And last property, property number 3, where k, constant k, less than to 0, makaproduce po siya ng wala. Okay, no root. So wala siyang ma-produce na root. Or simply, x will be undefined or no solutions, yung tinatawag na no solutions. Yun yung pag si k is less than 0. Ano ba yung mga less than 0? Negative numbers. Okay? So now, proceed tayo for the examples. Okay, number 1. 4x squared minus 81 equals 0. So yung gagawin natin, dapat ma-express natin siya na naka-x squared equals k, kung saan pwede natin gamitin si property 1, property 2, and property 3. Okay? So, transpose natin si negative 81 to the right. So, magiging 4x raised to 2 or squared equals negative 81 will be transposed, magiging positive 81. So, positive 81. Now, meron na tayong k. Okay? But, dapat dito, x squared. So, anong gagawin natin dito na si 4 magiging 1? Kasi dito, pag walang nakasulat, may 1 yan. Okay? So, therefore, ano yung gagawin natin sa 4? Para magiging 1. Yes. Divide by 4. Pag mag-divide tayo ng 4 dito sa left, mag-divide din tayo ng 4 sa right. Para balance silang dalawa. Okay? So, divide by 4. So, cancelled out. That means 1. So, x squared equals 81 over 4. Now, continuation, para mawala c squared, yung solution niya para mawala is take the square root both sides. So, square root, cancelled out. Yung result niya magiging x na lang equals square root of 81 is 9 and square root of 4 is 2. Si x, yung 9 at saka over 2, may positive and negative yan. Because 81/4 is just greater than to 0. So therefore, yung sagot natin is dalawa. Positive and negative 9/2. Yun yung pinapaintindihan na dalawa. So we have x sub 2 equals positive 9/2 and x sub 1 pala. Pwede namang x sub 2, so x sub 1 na lang. Kasi dito x sub 2 equals negative 9/2. Ito yung dalawang solution natin na hinahanap. Okay? So that's for example number 1. Example number 2. 9x squared minus 25 equals 0. Solved by extracting square root. Okay? So express this problem into x squared equals para matingnan natin kung ano yung value ng constant sa right hand side. So bring down 9x squared equals, ito i-transpose natin sa right, positive 25. Now, ulitin natin dito, kailangan si 9 magiging 1. So, divide both sides by 9. Cancelled out si 9. Yung naiwan, x squared equals 25/9. So, ito na yung value ng k. Okay? So, 25/9 is greater than 0. So, yung roots dito na example is dalawa. Okay? So, we have square root of x squared equals square root of 25/9. 25, square root niyan, square root of x squared, yan, is x na lang, equals square root of 25. Take note, pag square root, dalawa yung result, kasi nga, yung k natin is greater than 0. So, dalawa, yun yung positive, negative. Square root of 25 is 5, and square root of 9 is 3. So, our solution, x sub 1 equals positive 5/3. X sub 2 equals negative 5/3. So, ito yung two solutions natin or tinatawag sa iba na solution set. May nakasulat na ganito sa libro. Okay? So, proceed tayo for example number 3. Okay? So, 3x squared plus 8 equals 8. Dapat i-express natin siya na naka-x squared equals k. Then, tingnan natin si k kung greater than, equal, or less than 0 ba. Okay? So, 3x squared, si positive 8 i-transpose sa right. So, equals, bring down ito, dito siya, minus, si positive magiging minus 8. So, meron tayong naiwan na 3x squared equals 8 minus 8 equals 0. Then, dapat si 3 magiging 1. So, to solve that, divide 3. Both sides cancelled out. So, mayroon na lang tayong x squared equals 0 divide 3, 0. This time, our k is 0. So, k is equal to 0. Ano nga yung ating property number 2? Pag si k equal to 0, yung result ay palaging iisa. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kailangan natin siyang i-square root both sides pa. So, finish the solutions. So, square root of x squared equals x. Square root of 0 is 0. Kaya Kaya ang result always 0 pag si k equal to 0. Okay? How about example ng no real solutions? Yung property number 3. Okay? Next, ito. Number 4. 5x squared plus 7 equals 3. So, express natin siya na x squared equals k. Now, si 5x squared bring down. Si positive 7 or plus 7 transpose sa kabila. So, bring down equals 3. Positive 7 i-transpose magiging minus or negative 7. Now, 5x muna bring down squared equals 3 minus 7, so positive 3 and then negative 7 minus, copy the sign of the bigger absolute value. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Then sa dalawa, si 3 at saka 7, yung malaking absolute value is si 7. So, yung sign ng 7 yung i-follow natin. Okay? Then, di pa tayo tapos. Need pa natin si 5 magiging 1. So, divide both sides by 5. So, x squared equals negative 4 over 5. Now, since negative, si k natin, ito, negative siya, so therefore less than 0. So, automatically, you can decide, based on the property, you can finalize your answer as no solution. Or undefined, yung tinatawag sa math na undefined. Okay? Okay, sorry. Yan. So, our value of x will be no solutions or undefined. Klaro. Okay? So, that's it. Ayan na po. Kung natulungan ka ng video na to, syempre huwag mong kalimutan pindutin yung like, subscribe button at mag-iwan ng comment sa baba kung may isa-suggest ka na topic sa math na gusto mong gawa natin ng video.